The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture. Spend 2,999 or more and stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 1 million rands. View our latest catalog and shop these amazing deals by the 6th of April 2025 while stock lasts. T's and C's apply. It is good TV pod by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CEO.za. It was a breathtaking story, breaking news story yesterday on Thursday. We are speaking on Friday on a cold morning, raining morning in Johannesburg. Jose Rivero about to leave Orlando Pirates. Officially, he's going to leave at the end of the season, winning the Nedbank Cup, the MTN 8 along the way. He was, of course, on the verge of doing something special, perhaps, in the CAF Champions League with Orlando Pirates. He's on the door of the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. How will that affect the team now that he's announced that he's leaving? We shall see. If he leaves, he might leave with a bang. We'll see. The league still looked too far away if you think about the points that Sundowns have. But yeah, it's been a decent effort from Jose Rivera. He was not a loser. I don't think he even finished outside the top four. So that's a very decent shout for him, particularly at Orlando Pirates. Although Orlando Pirates are the top team in South Africa. If you count big teams, you count Orlando Pirates, who are bigger than Sundowns, and you count Kaizer Chiefs. In terms of the fan base, it's Chiefs and it's Orlando Pirates. Historically, Orlando Pirates are the first team in this country to win the CAF Champions League in 1995. They are a big deal. They make over 100 million or around 100 million from a deal with Vodacom and themselves and Kaizer Chiefs. They've just signed with SuperSport Bet as well. They can fight on the market for players. They are making all of that money because they're a substantial brand. One of the greatest football clubs that South Africa has ever seen, 1937, Jomo Sono, So Vilakazi, and everyone else who's played for that beautiful team, Williams Opara. That's Orlando Pirates, so they're not a small team. They should not be finishing outside the top three, really, because they are a top club in the country. Junior Kanye, when you heard the news, what was your reaction? Were you shocked? Were you surprised? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngibulisele yami uJusto.
Just.
Yeah, ngibulise uBenedict Sofila.
Yes, so and so.
Nabolindo labakhona ubobzini.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no and try to fix South African football. Not surprised at all, me. I'm not surprised. First of all, let me compliment the guy. The guy, I think, is the first coach after a while to challenge Mamelodi Sundowns. The current very strong team, Nkhuluma Sundowns, strong squad, yabo. Challenging Sundowns with youngsters, under 20 players, Nkhuluma ngaboNkota, Relebogile Mofokeng, also Tito Maswangai, Talent Mbatha. The age allow my player allowed to challenge. Well done to the coach. The guy's done well for himself. Also the identity, how Pirates supposed to play. A checking-minded team. They were very exciting to watch. In fact, they were right about Cheetah. Very skillful team as well. They win in style. A couple of games. Also, the guy this season is number one. I think first round of the season, and ngazo le into analyze. It's not easy. And Pirates Kumbule, well done to the coach. They're not spending like Sundowns how they spend. But the guy was it we challenge the Sundowns and they belong spend too much. Yes, they spend. Abana problem. Paris can buy whoever. Ibang babone South Africa they can challenge Sundowns. Jobu shong market. They're not scared. They showed with couple of players. Though somehow njengoba ngisho ngithi somewhere ucoach mhlambe mangithi kuwe I'm not surprised. I'll go back there ngizosho ukuthi why. Ngisamnika nje ukuhla ucoach njengoba ngisho couple season 3 or 4. He was sort of a cup specialist. They beat the Pirates. I think 2 cup finals.
Sundowns.
Yes, I mean to say Sundowns. And though obvious, kuna question about how they beat Sundowns. The referee obvious, kuna question mark, but he beat Sundowns. And nobody could touch Sundowns by then. On top of their game is Sundowns by then. Burlani, Bupito.
Yeah, especially under Rulani.
I mean to say Rulani.
Yeah.
Rulani were at their best. Angumtele Lupito is one of the best special coach anyway. So, Mangzo Buyela Pek, I'm not surprised. This guy had the chance to win the league. this year. Hleli ku number 1, I think first round of the season. Let it go second round of the season. Ayigapheli. But look at igap mfethu, yabo. Pirates they are himself to blame. As a coach, I think he was panicking second round of the season, playing players without not playing players according to his strengths. You can't play. You can't ask calling a Champions League player manje away. Well done to the coach. Kuti almost a semi-final. Bane advantage based on home. Bane goal advantage.
Goal.
Yeah, but how did team play? Yabo. Because in life sometimes you win luck. You need luck. Yabo. In terms of management, let's go to okay sharp. We won, but the muntu sacrifice the right best kana muntu. And it's ne player sepenjini. Le player lingeni le second half. We don't know.
Well, the management is saying they wanted him to stay.
I think it was pushed maybe for me. He was pushed.
Not really. He didn't sign his contract.
I need to be honest. He was pushed. It's like the situation ends out. He won league this year, which is convincing. He won the second league convincing, and then last season, Chet left the Chiefs. He never said anything. There are things that push it. I mean, the coach looks a bit on the part.
He did say in Dala for he doesn't stay at one place for more than 3 years. And he might... Orlando Pirates, Dr. Ivan Koz is saying the coach is leaving. He didn't renew his contract.
Okay.
They didn't fire him. That's not what Pirates is saying.
Yeah, I understand.
They did not fire him. He's leaving. He didn't sign.
Pirates is a big brand.
Yeah.
By protect image. But to tell coaches...
Oh, the Pirates have fired a lot of coaches before, so they're not scared of firing anyone. But they don't have a reason to fire this one.
Okay, well, mhlambu coach my personal issues work. Number one, mhlambu was given sometimes a team sheet. Who knows?
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't as bonilla, which is a river, because the team look exciting. I mean, that's been never.
Yeah, you would want to stay next year and next year to see how it's going to develop.
Yeah, but I think some of the people, we need to give credit for support on the coach. Magafuni player, without technical team, I'm a player now, coach being a what. But good number questions. Mina personal bangi pega. Yes, so coach can say, yes, mina angfunang renew. He was pushed. Somewhere among it was pushed, but funa renew. Mario was pega liso sent. Cause I don't think technical team they were happy by beating by Sundowns 4-1. I love Stars. I don't think the team be happy. And the way they play, they look like Pirates. They mean the first round of this.
Isn't it more important to go to Ungena with semi-final in the Champions League?
Yeah.
I don't think any management would fire you Ungena with Champions League semi-final.
Another stuff, they look at good how he plays good Champions League, especially Yamanje Joba winning. Right, the Champions League is more important, but Tagaga win, and
they wouldn't fire him. Bebo Nuguti. With semi-final.
But bear in mind, Minangule was somehow he was pushed.
I want to agree with you on the part of there were circumstances. If you think about Usaleng, Begun club where the coach it's out of his control.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to be able to stay here for another 3 years.
Yeah.
Because he knows, and of course we know this since Prasten as well, that you're not always in charge of the team sheet.
Especially with big teams.
Yeah, you're not always, particularly at Pirates, you're not always in charge of the team sheet. Because with Upitso, at Sundowns, he was fully in control.
Yeah.
He never even wanted a technical director. And Rulani as well took that as well to say, I don't want a technical director. In fact, he had problems with technical director. So there are coaches who are strong who want to be in charge. And maybe Coach Jose looked at this and said, you know what, I don't want to go through this again. Because Agana Susat, Intuanas Yakula, they're getting better.
Yeah.
In the next 12 months, they might, even now it's currently a challenge, even though Sundowns have a big points gap, Champions League semi-final. He would have wanted to stay there and want to see how are they going to end up? Are they going to win the league in the end? Because it's not like he's building. These kids are fitting in like a glove. He just needs 1 or 2 more to be a championship team. So there are things to look forward to with Pirates. The way that I'm being influenced with certain things, like I want Saleng back, but so he's like, I don't want to go through this again. Yes, exactly. Because Undai as well. He was fit at some point.
I'm Saling, but it's very influential to Pirates.
Yeah.
Experienced player as well. He win games for them. You understand? And ngiyakutshela mina Nkululeko somewhere noma ngeke azasho technical team yes angeke basho and technical team make no mistake Pirates did very well technical team kumele ngibagay credit Pirates the exciting team to watch yabo but coach somewhere somehow those are the things asibhekile and imshayeli ucoach ukuthi naleli ngabe ngiwinile mhlawumbe usaling if he was there if he was there yabo certain players January bengibafuna maybe cause Jaden Adams bekumele amsayine Police there were rumors close why not so noma ngeba coach is professional enough yes wenze kahle for i-career yakhe sikhuluma nge-reference future reference Pirates is a big team big brand and make no mistake mina ngiyayisupport i-Pirates technical team the way they've done in terms
the
of management I mean to say yonke
ngiyayisupport
how they sign players but ngoJanuary nami ngiquestionile ukuthi why still keeping this boy Nkotha is come well yes from development but you needed experienced players going to the Champions League now the coach did very well mfethu make yabona le out ngiyayihlonipha I mean angisho indlela iClub edlala ngayo phela ukudlala kamnandi without ending products it's nothing this coach won 8-1 this year if not mistaken I think
they beat Marumo Gallants. It might be 8 or 7.
And then Basharos
and then Arrows as well. Like
7-1.
Those were
so
breathtaking matches.
So Pirates mina this year they were better than first round of the season better than Sundowns.
Yeah. They still are the best attacking team.
Yeah. It's just that njoba ngisho somewhere uzokumangaza coach naye.
In a sacrifice, sometimes they take technical sacrifices defending with everyone behind the back.
Champions League he play with three central midfielders without the right forward player. Unepel njengo Nkotha on the bench. Lo muntu korile kulela ground. Kuyo le Champions League. I think they're playing group stages.
Yeah.
He scored 2 goals there. But dlala nga 2 attacking like 2 right forward. Right and left players attack yakho beyibalance. Yes ukuluza uTito nyazi imlimazile naye as a coach but kunezinto athe makahleli abheka dala ngizoba nenkinga going forward. Noma ngeke azasho uba professional and uyazi ukuthi he can go and come back. Yangazi kuseso ikhaya uzakhela ikhaya. The guy is on things at Orlando Pirates and take out the best out of individual players. Abo Maswanga Tito bona Relebogile Mfokeng also this boy Nkotha given a platform those kids I well done to the coach but he was forced but the Pirates ithe mayibheka njengoba ngisho kuwe khuluma ngemanagement he beat Silwe Pirates Silwe Sundowns Self Stars and if their game siwinile besine chance ukwina league the way sidlale ngakhona lapha coach too defensive second game round of the season the Sundowns we won in FNB Maru sacrifice the way we won we're not happy Champions League yes we won sibonile Champions League now sine play lifike la buya second half yena uNkotha game plan coach esebenzile what if it doesn't work sawudlala going forward ku semi final second round yabo phela lama team aplayna now uyabona whatever Pirates they play now whatever Pirates do now they can do those teams and in Champions League it's a minds game so bathe mabayibheka bathi la iPirates make no mistake kule ku Champions League important kakhulu but they wanted the league this year we need to be honest Champions League nami I wouldn't sacrifice the Champions League for a league nami ngibetwe pretty much I can't it's a now sometimes they're going to Club World Cup it's
you make almost $1 billion
any level that's why sometimes they're investing so much
to go to Club World Cup you get $1 billion
but I can tell you a coach I'm sure Jose Rivera ngimbonile ibhola angisi nami bengiba critical but umprove wrong I need to be honest the guy kunama players January bekumele awathole I'm sure uyawafuna lawo player yabo Mathuludi Police the list goes on
I think Jaden Adams was so important
even now Police on the right hand side maybe him and Mfokeng yes this boy is very important but the boy is still growing yabona kusamele prove exactly what how Mfokeng is proving but I'm happy the way angene ngakhona my Champions League he came and score he's an important player but not like Mfokeng yabo so you needed a Police experienced player national team player with experience ayikho into bezomthusa so na balance and then this boy can come as an impact player also for me uJaden Adams Tito now is injured because of fit lapha Maturity as well. I know good Van Rooyen is very important, but look shaky.
They have a lot of right backs.
I understand. Let go. Experience. Come on, Champions League.
Shando Libitso, Van Rooyen they just bought. They even have the young boy from the development, Munyana.
But Kulego, when you check the Champions League, it's not the PSL, Betway Premiership. They needed experienced player.
Can we talk about the timing? So njengoba bachaza ukuthi uyahamba umqeqesho. How do you think it's going to affect them? Ngoba ayikapheli season. Kune Champions League, kune league, Guna Nedbank Cup as well. How does that affect them? Does it not affect them at all?
Yeah, ibalimazi. When coach, I don't think it's okay. Ngifuna ukubona body language yakhe how and the players as well. Some players they were playing because of the coach. Yeah, but ngisho ukuthi some players, the new coach that will come, ama players are worried. You won't think ngifuna ukubona body language yama players and the coach as well. Timing yabo, I think Orlando Pirates bengamelanga man by announce to the media. Mhlambe keep it very secretive, a secret by keep as a secret between bona and the coach. Speaking with the coach or baba me this is in my pay man. Yabo bring him to the office.
Well, the fans are going to fight with you. Let's say, for example, he wins Champions League, and then you announce that the coach is leaving. The fans are going to fight with you. Yeah, because if he wins the Champions League, because he's very close to winning.
That's why I need to push. Push. He can't just say I'm renewing me. Now during this timing, right?
Yeah.
It's a critical time of the season. I mean, this coach. We ask good kunama player when they play. Gona bonke talent onusika chance. Ezolimala kakhulu mfethu. Abotito yena umfuking, abomabasa, abomaghopa every the list goes on about talent but amakhehleni believer ukuthi and young team as a whole. So I don't think the timing is right. I balimazi the psychological abeko grand ama players and the coach as well. I'm sure emotional yabo and in this obasha game manje. Gona ku Champions League my. The coming second round of the season. There's a FNP. Pela game on. I got paid. Pirates bani upper hand, but game on. After it's a semi-final. So the coach already asked to Amba is the one's
yeah, still the final. Final is the last second leg, first leg.
It's the only team. Yes, I'm a chance we're going with the Pirates here final, even winning this trophy, Champions League. Now, I mean, Pirates are their best team for me. This season's first round of the season, Yabani and closest to Mamle Sundowns. Sundowns, they are not at the best in terms of attack. Ile nto bengikhuluma ngayo studio ukuthi ifrontry yabo ngine problem. Ribeiro, yes. Renas goal pouch similar like uShalile. They needed and banabo litla kwa KK lamfana lo bana uTladisa Kgodisang. Banao but they're not using those players. But Pirates they play like Pirates identity, the culture of Pirates. Also they can tell about attacking minded team and in style, dribbling goal forward.
Let's wrap it up. Justice is complaining already. I asked this question just before you came in. The obvious question is about where to from now for Pirates, the next coach. Do you promote Mandla Ncikaza? I know what you're going to say, but I have to explore these options.
Not true, yeah.
Do you promote Coach Mandla Ncikaza to be the coach? Most Pirates fans will say no, he's not ready. He was there with Fadlu. Do you take a random European coach? Jose. So do you take that gamble? There's been a lot of coaches at Orlando Pirates that no one ever heard of.
Yeah, true.
Joseph Zinpawa, we've never heard of them. So they like that route. So you promote from inside, you go unknown European, or you go for the obvious choice.
Suspect one, I would love Pitso to take over so that the national team it continue to do well. Because the more Pirates do well and Sundowns do well, in national team it's very easy. With the coach pick. Pelucho Zengatile, Lengwenya, Hugo Pros, and also Urlane, Nababu, whoever at Sundowns, I think it's Urlane, the coach there. So, for me, Ugutu Pizzo, I don't think he will go there. I don't think Pizzo
he wants to be in charge. That's the biggest challenge.
I think Rulani Mkwena, there's a rumor. I can tell you, watch it, Upale Pants. You see Rulani.
The thing is, he was there before. I wouldn't like it because I love. That's my favorite coach.
Yeah.
I don't want him in an environment where he's not in control. If they're not going to give him control.
I don't think they is happy because those people they don't have football.
Hopefully, he can go to Club World Cup. I know Namguti is a matter of time. With that, he's gonna leave because they just want to win the league. No matter how they do it, they don't even care about his style of play and all of that. So that's not the right.
He's under pressure.
That's not the right environment for that coach. That's our best coach. But my challenge is control. Rulani wants to be, and if even Coach Pitso, I would say the same thing. Our best black coaches must be in an environment where they have control.
Yeah,
if you fire them, it's because you gave them everything. It's them. It's for them to control. If Ufunu Saleng back, he must have Saleng back. If he wants this player back, Unda, he must have him back. Not an environment where he doesn't have control.
That's why ngithi mina uPitso awulove azokwazi ukuba bully njengabo.
Yeah.
And he won everything. He's a smart coach and he's very arrogant ngesponsor sakhe because uyasazi. He doesn't want to be told
Yep.
what to do. But yes, uyamamela hayi kuphela ngoba obviously paying him. But one of the best South African now. And Rulani for me is second option. But mangithi second option uRulani.
You suspect that he might be in the names.
Awuzobada. Uzobona. Pitso I don't think you'll allow. Yes, kune rumor with Pitso sharp. True. Mina kancane ngeke ngayizwa. Not now. Even before which was very will go there. But to Pitso, before he could go there, actually yes pass. He's
Yeah.
not gonna say yes. I think bane question mark technical management the Paris ngalo nto hey uzohlupha
Are
mina.
they ready to give him
Yeah,
control?
because there's certain players azowafuna. Not with this court Paris grand for me. It's only one or two.
Yeah, they just need one or two people.
Yeah, and uPitso khona ama-players wafuna and uzokusho ukuthi iPirates ine-budget, which is true, right? So Rulani uzobona Nkululeko. Rulani Mokoena will go there at Orlando Pirates. I'm sure there's talk behind the scenes.
After the Club World Cup. I hope he goes to the Club World Cup
Yeah,
first.
indaba lesangwenye ngesithembe nokuthi
Yeah, because
naye.
they might want to take a Moroccan coach.
Yes, ukuthi nje uRulani.
Ngcolile zasotho, is it?
So but uRulani if you can go to Pirates, indaba it's advantage grand uPirates, but iChive into ezomsha uRulani. In fact usekakhulile as a coach now. As a coach, yes, let alone iminyaka yakhe. Mele bangamdisturb yalazi Paul. And the question ukuthi bazomsupporta na. Pirates the way ngibone ngakhona bazomtshela mina what to do. And kula problem izosuka khona. But Pirates they will sign uRulani.
Rulani Mokoena or Pitso Mosimane for you?
Yeah, ingwenya zoyichuya. It's a lecture in the students area.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Orlando Pirates. We hope we ventilated all the sides to it. A coach is not all bad. Coach Jose Rivero wasn't a relegated coach at Pirates. He wasn't outside the top 8 at Pirates. He was a trophy-winning coach. He almost pushed Sundowns to the league. We don't know what will happen because the league is currently ongoing. He's almost in the semi-finals of the Champions League. So when you talk about his legacy, you have to be able to reflect that. Some coaches get fired because their team ended at number 10. Abomuli Fensegi and all the other coaches, even Coach Mangoba Mngeti. We didn't have glowing things to say about them because we have to talk about how they did at their club. If you take a Sundowns from number 1 to number 3 or number 4, be out of a lot of competitions, we have to reflect that. But with Coach Jose Rivero, we have to reflect that he was a winner in these invented trophies in South Africa. And fortunately, he also, the important trophies, the league and the Champions League, he was also pushing the season. So we have to reflect that as well. What will happen at Orlando Pirates? What would you like to see as a Pirates fan? Please let us know in the comments section. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, World Source Betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.